Yeah, so I'm cleaning out barrel number 2 so I can make my door, which is just on the garden there, bigger than the door that I've cut out of my first barrel. But I've cleaned all the oil out, and oil's a nightmare, so I'm taking my time doing that. The other day, somebody actually mentioned I used a bit of silver sand and fairy liquid, but someone said to try a bit of washing up powder, you know, for the washing machine. So that's exactly what I'm going to try and do. We'll give it a go. It makes sense. It's meant to clean, so my hands are proper oily, and I've took my watch off, which helps, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that feels better. It's great for oil. It's just the same as sugar soap really, but you'll see in a sec my hands were awful, covered in engine oil. That's what these barrels have got in them. However, I will burn them once I've got them, or once I've got it on its frame. I'll set it light, get it to temperature, and get it properly cleaned out. But works a treat. Thank you very much for whoever said that. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.